Carter's caught two. Oh, I got it. Oh my God, that thing felt heavy. Oh, I got one. I got one. First one of 2019. Oh, I got another one. Back-to-back cast. Oh, this is a better one too. Me too. They're getting bigger, boys. Second fish. Got it done. There you go. Oh, I got him. Boy, look at him. Oh, he's so big. Oh my God! There he goes. What's poppin', YouTube? I'm here with Carter today.
Yep, like always.
But we're gonna go do some fishing. I've been away from YouTube for a while, so because the fishing in the Midwest has been sucky, and this is like the first. Yeah, and cold. Cold this morning, but it'll warm up to like maybe 70 later in the day, so it should be nice. But we're gonna go do some little bit of pond hopping today, so it should be fun. Hopefully we can get onto some bass. So on that note, let's go. Okay guys, we have made it at the pond. Alright guys, we have made it at Fire Lane. Ooh. There's another guy fishing here. Sorry for the quality, there's a highway right here. But we're gonna try here. There's already another guy fishing here. Let's just get to fishing. So right now guys, I am using just a little lipless crankbait, size 5 Rapala. We might try carp later, depending if we see any. Yeah, we got corn along, so we might. We might go for carp too while we're over here. While we're out here, might be some carp swimming around. We can chum up the water. See if we can catch one. If we can catch one, that'd be awesome. But for right now, we're gonna target bass. Bass is the main goal. Alright, I'm gonna start off by just fishing on this shoreline. Thought this stick was a fish. A giant carp just sitting. Cast down the shoreline. Cast parallel to the shore, see what that does. But I think as we're moving down the pond, the water's getting a little bit more dirty. So I don't know if carp are doing their thing, because right now carp I think are spawning in this pond right now. There's like so much like cloud that was just tossed up right here. But Carter said there's a fish over by that drain. He came here Thursday. He said there's a couple fish just up against the rocks. So I think if we can find like a huge rock pile like that, and just find like, I mean this pond is filled with rocks. But you got one? Carp? Bass? No. Was it a bass? Oh, Carter just had a bass. What'd you get it on?
Yeah, the lipless head.
Oh, you got it on the lipless?
Right over there. That's gotta use it 2 pounds.
So we know that there's bass in this corner, that's good. He had it on the lipless. Hey, did you see the fish at all? Nuh-uh. You actually? Hey! Carter's got one, his first bass of 2019. That's nice. Are you kidding me? Just wait, dude, I'm getting there. You serious? Here, bring it down.
Pretty good one, right?
It's decent. ending on that same. Here you go.
Decent one for this pond.
It's all right. Carter just caught his second one of the day. I've yet to catch one. What? I was just fishing over here. Again? Again?
Oh, that one's a better one.
You can probably flip one. So they're biting. Wow, that's actually a nice one. He choked it. Oh, I got one. Oh, no! Nope. No, I just had one too. Dude, I just had one. This is the windy side of the pond. So it's kind of good. Caught 3 fish and caught 2 fish in this quarter. Well, Carter's caught 2 fish. Oh, I got one. Nope. Oh my God, that thing felt heavy. Dude, that thing felt heavy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, that thing felt so heavy. Holy crap. That thing felt so heavy. Oh my God. That thing felt so heavy. I don't know if I snagged a carp there or I just hooked into a pretty big bass, but that thing felt heavy. Wow. Wow. So I'm gonna go move down and cast on this shoreline. These fish are starting to move. Oh, I got one! I got one! Don't come off! Don't come off! Don't come off! Yes! Yes! My first one of 2019! We got it done! Carter, we got it done! We got it done! Yes! We got it done! Oh, yes! Yes! We got it done, boys! First one of 2019! Let's go! Wow! Alright, first bass of 2019 right here. Let's get this guy back. 2019. Let's get him back. Right off, there's like a little hump here, but smoked this nice little 12-incher. Not huge, but here he goes. Number 5, dude. Fish are moving right now, boys. Fish are moving. Finally caught a fish. Now it's time to go down in business. Carter just caught one. I just caught one. Fish are going nuts. Dude, they're all over the place right now. They're moving. Oh, I got another one. Back-to-back cast. Oh, there's a better one too. Got another one. Let's go. Back-to-back casts. Let's go. Back-to-back casts. In the same exact spot too. Where this fish destroyed it too. Wow, that's a better one too. They're getting bigger, boys. Second fish. Got it done. Same spot too. Caught him in the same spot. Alright, let's go. There he goes. Alright, let's go back to back to back. See if we can go back to back to back. It'd be amazing if we could do that. Fish are moving, bro. On back to back casts. Carter's caught 5 or 6. I've caught 2. Finally got myself on the board. And we are doing. Oh! I just got another bump. Right here. I just got bumped again. Wow. I don't know if the bait is down here or it's just that it's the blow inside. But fish are going nuts. We're on the juice right now. Oh, I got another one. Good one, Carter. Good one. Good one. Very good one. Oh my God. Oh my God, Carter, it's big. It's big. Carter, hurry up. Carter, it's big. It's big. Oh my God, Carter. Carter, it's a big one. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's big. It's a big one. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's big. Oh my God, it's big. It's big. Carter, it's big. It's big. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's big. No! Dude, that was a 4 pound and 4 pound plus. Dude, it was so big. It was so long, so big. Oh my God. It was so long, so big. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that fish was so long. It was so big too. So fat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Since the fishing or the bass stopped biting almost, I'm gonna do some B-roll. So enjoy that. Something way smaller, but still the perch color, perch imitation, perch color, still the same stuff, but he just threw on a smaller little profile perch kind of like thing, like little crankbait, and ended up catching that one. So I'm gonna keep fishing. I'm gonna keep throwing the perch, whip this crankbait around and see if we can pull out any more fish. Oh, dude, I just had one, just swipe at it right here. But he missed it. Crap. Now we're gonna come back at this fish. Ready? Watch this. This might work. Oh, if I can get out of the tree. This might work. Since I just had a bass right there, okay? We're gonna come over here. I'm gonna cast right at that outlet. Since he just bit, he just came up and swiped at it. I'm gonna cast right back at it and come right in front of that outlet. came.
Oh, I got him.
Hey, it worked, yeah. He bit it. I got him. Third one of the day. Oh, each. Third.
Like fake ones, but they're really fun.
Hey, what's funny is that I had this one swipe at it right in front of the outlet. I switched my, how I was, casting, and I came back and I threw it right in front of the outlet, and he smoked it. Third one of the day for me. Carter's got 7. So let's just get this guy back in the water. Oh, well, I mean, all right.
Like if you compare it, like they're just buying on perch stuff. Like,
Yeah. All right, guys. So here's what Carter's throwing. As you can see, that's like a perch bait, and then here's what I'm throwing. See, there's really not that much difference.
with that size.
They're both like the same size, both the same color. So same, yeah. They're like natural looking colors. Okay, guys. So right now, I'm snagged, and I'm gonna go in the water. I'm gonna go in the water for this because this is like my favorite bait. So I'm going in the water for this. Where's Carter at? We're gonna go in the water for this. So let's take off. Let's get this off. Phone goes right here. I take the shoes off. I can't. I'm not losing this fish. I mean, not this fish, but I'm not losing this lure. I am not losing this lure. I am not losing this lure at all. So we're going in the water. All right, we gotta get in the water. So, oh, that water's cold.
No, really? Guys, that's what you do when you keep snagging your line. Come on, you have 7-9 rod, Carson. Shouldn't be that hard. Dude, it's just like right on the other side of that rock. Don't slip and fall.
I don't know.
Dude, is that where that ledge is where it drops off like 6 feet?
I don't know, dude.
You better not find out.
All right, boys, we're going in again.
Hi, White Cap.
Hold on, here. So we're gonna go back in again. Water's freezing cold, and I don't want to lose this bait, so hopefully it doesn't drop off.
Oh, his rig
Oh, I
sweatshirt.
feel it.
He feels it. After about 14.
Go.
Or did he get?
Let's go!
I think you're a little bit wet, Carson. Right, guys. Well, we're gonna get back to fishing.
Okay, guys, I just caught another one. I didn't have my GoPro with me because I just came down and I left my hat on my GoPro all the way on the other side of the pond, and these 2 guys were just walking it back, and I ended up hooking one. So that's 4 for me, and it wasn't really a huge one. It was like an average size one. So I gotta charge this. I'll give you guys an update if I catch one or if someone else catches one. He snagged a, well, I shouldn't say snagged a carp, but the carp ate his crankfish.
I just got a big
Oh, he snagged it right in the top. Dude, it's so big. It's so big. It's huge.
Yeah, I know.
Giant goldfish.
I mean, about 5 minutes ago, he was about way out there. Oh my God!
Oh my God, look at him.
Boys, look at him! Oh, it's snagged in the fin!
Dude, I'm shaking right now. I haven't even caught it. I'm not even moving in this fish right now.
Under Carson.
Oh my God. Good. Come towards me.
Bro!
Come towards me. Okay, let go.
Open your...
I can't grab it, dude. I got it.
You need to...
Got him.
Oh my God!
Oh,
It's a slug! It's a slug!
oh my God.
That's a 25 pounder.
So heavy. Oh my god, look at the gut on that fish.
Look at the gut.
Dude, hold him. Yeah, you got him.
Yeah,
Good.
you gotta take
You want to
your
pick
guy.
one? Get right under his gills like that. Dude, it's so heavy.
Yo, holy crap.
Smile.
That's Ethan's phone right now, but there's the fish. It's huge. There he goes.
Let's go, baby.
Yo! Just got another bass. Not a big one by all means, but just a little one. Yo, lot of carp right here. Lot of carp right here. Yeah, big carp. Oh, it's a good cast. Oh, I got him. Yeah, dude, I got the carp. Dude, I got a carp. So, dude, it's gonna be a long fight. I got my drag pretty loose, so if he wants to go, he can go. I don't know where he's hooked. That's my one worry. Holy crap. Is he big?
He's good.
Where? On the dorsal? Oh, no! He just popped off. Oh. Yo, I almost got a carp. I just rotated the hook just a wee bit and he's off. Alright guys, I'm leaving the pond. I gotta go home, take a shower, and then I'm going out to eat. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a really good day today. I finally got my first bass of 2019. I caught 5 of them, Carter caught 9. And I almost just caught a carp, but today was a fun day out. That's just it was just a good day. That's all I got for that's just to sum up this whole day. It was just a good day. Got a lot of bites. I missed a 4-pounder. That's all right. You already know that I do that a lot. But if you guys want to see more of this fishing, please subscribe and like this video. I'll probably be out here next weekend doing the same thing, bass fishing, and maybe we might hit up a few more ponds for you guys. But I'll see you guys next time.